class 7th students, how are you? I think you all are fine students. Students, you heard a information from the school, yes or no? I think you heard that information. Students, the school is going to conduct your periodic test first from the date of 10th of August, and I think you all have the timetable. I think you all have the timetable from which date to which date your examination is. Okay, so students, carefully and beware to your exam, because I told in the class 5th to the class 10th I taught the chapter 1st to chapter 3rd, but I want to take the exam in PT first from chapter 1st and chapter 2nd. Only 2 chapters I included for taking the examination of periodic test first. Okay students, so yesterday you know very well, you have some question, which type of question and how you just give the examination. It is a very easy students. Your exam you give by your mobile phone, it is clear, no need to come the school. Your examination is done by your mobile phone. And the second question, I think in your mind, how the examination is start. Examination is start by online mode. In the online mode, some things we send on to you, and after that you resolve it. You write the answer of that question, and automatically when you submit that things, we collect your answer. Okay students, so you don't be afraid on behalf of examination. You just continue your study and you just learn the question answers of chapter 1st and 2nd. Students, one more thing I want to tell to you. The thing is this: you prepare short answer type question and MCQs. Okay, I think I ask MCQs and short answer type question. Short answer type question, it is necessary to ask. Okay, but MCQs may be, but you all you all prepare that. Okay, you all prepare that. Now today in this class session, let us revision the topic of today's, and in this revision we talk the previous things, those we remind earlier to earlier. Okay, first thing is the assignment statement to use the assign value the variables. जो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट है स्टूडेंट्स वो ये है, दी असाइनमेंट स्टेटमेंट इज यूज टू असाइन वैल्यू टू ए वेरिएबल. Okay, you understand? It means suppose that you are providing a is equal to x, then x is stored the memory variable a. It means a assign the value of variable. Okay, यहाँ पर a क्या कर रहा है, जो वेरिएबल की वैल्यू है उसको क्या कर रहा है, रख रहा है. ठीक है, सो इट द स्टेटमेंट इज वेरी गुड. सेकेंड, the equal operator is used to assign the values to a variable. You know very well, you just see here a is equal to x. It means x variable is stored in a, but a is what, a is memory variable, x is a value, and this is operator. Equal sign is operator. The operator is used to assign value to a variable. Next students, conditional statement are used to test a condition and take decision. Conditional statement are used to test a condition and take decision. You know students, if this is stored to this, then what is the answer? Okay, जो कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट होते हैं वहाँ पर आपके कंडीशन के हिसाब से ही आंसर डिराइव किए जाते हैं. इट्स ए क्लियर थिंग. When you provide the statement and after that the statement you provide some condition, and if the variable is found in your condition, then the answer is you, and then the answer you got. Either you never expect the correct decision when your program, it means conditional statement, is wrong. Okay, now students, the next is looping. This one, students, looping statement. Students, looping statement are used when you need to repeat the command until a change. So in this statement, students, looping statement are used when you need to repeat the command until a change is specified. Students, when you in for and for loop क्या था उसमें कि अगर आपको 1 से 10 तक 1 to 10 if you need to write, देन उसमें चेंजेस क्या था, +1 का चेंजेस था. जैसे +1 चेंज जैसे स्पेसिफाइड करते थे, हमारा रिपीट स्टेटमेंट कंटिन्यू चलता रहता था. ठीक है, अगर उल्टी गिनती चाहिए थी 10 से 10 to 1 तो -1 का हमारा क्या था, चेंजेस था, जिसमें वो होता है. तो लूपिंग स्टेटमेंट आर यूज्ड व्हेन यू नीड टू रिपीट द कमांड्स until a change is specified. Okay students, next what happened in the next, students, for and while are two looping statement in small basic. for and for जैसे मैंने बताया था, और while ये भी मैंने बताया था तुम लोगों को. तो वही क्या है, ये लूपिंग स्टेटमेंट है जो कंडीशन पर डिपेंड करते हैं, और आपके द्वारा जो स्टेप्स इसमें दी जाती हैं उसी स्टेप्स के हिसाब से इसमें इंक्रीमेंट या डिक्रीमेंट होता है. अगला क्या है स्टूडेंट्स, द वेरिएबल स्टेप्स इज यूज टू द फॉर एंड फॉर कमांड इज इंक्रीमेंट वैल्यूज. इट्स क्लियर. द डिफॉल्ट वैल्यूज ऑफ step command is 1. You can also give a negative, decimal और positive values to this command. इसमें जो स्टेप्स होती है वो +1 का तो होता ही होता है, बट अगर आप इसमें नेगेटिव देना चाहते हैं, फिर डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन देना चाहते हैं, तो आप इसमें प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. फिर लास्टली तुमको ये बताया गया था, ग्राफिक विंडो ऑब्जेक्ट अलाउ यू टू ड्रा डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट लाइक लाइन्स एंड शेप्स. ग्राफिक्स जो नहीं एक्स और वाई का अटेंड करके बताया गया था. एंड लास्ट क्या है, देयर आर वेरियस प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मेथड टू ग्राफिक्स विंडोज ऑब्जेक्ट. बहुत सारा, जैसे कि विड्थ चेंज करना, हाइट चेंज करना पिक्सल्स में. ठीक है. फिर उसकी लाइंस लाना, और भी शेप्स थे, वो सारी चीज़ें इसमें हैं. ठीक है. तो स्टूडेंट्स इस पर आप प्रिपेयर कर लीजिएगा. आंसर्स यू आल्सो हैव, but I ask only from the chapter 1st and chapter 2nd short type answers, short types of question and MCQs maybe. Okay students, ये prepare कर लीजिएगा. Thank you, have a nice day.